As West Africa has the highest rate of forest degradation, 13 national forest investment plans were developed with the financial and technical support of FAO. The primary objective of this meeting is to strengthen the capacity of the Gambia in its advocacy and mobilization of resources for a smooth implementation of its national forest investment plan. The Director of Forestry, Parks and Wildlife, Mr. Mohamed Jaite, stated that the technical experts from his department are gathered to deliberate on ways of tackling the accelerating rate of forest degradation.
4 batch of countries were identified: Gambia, Liberia, Guinea, and Togo, so that at least a forum would be created whereby the technicians and then the financier, the donor agencies would meet, and then they would discuss on the National Forest Investment Plan of those various countries, and then see the way forward as to how to support the implementation of the plans.
The ECOWAS Special Representative to the Gambia, Her Excellency Vaba Gayflaw, stated that participants of the workshop are expected to explore all opportunities for the development of partnerships, cooperation frameworks, and finance mechanisms for concrete implementation of the Gambia's National Forest Investment Plan.
Forest degradation and deforestation in the West Africa region are undoubtedly the root causes of forest ecosystem depletion, which is said to have the highest deforestation rate per hectare in the world. This calls on all of us to mobilize and involve everyone in order to implement urgent and coherent measures to restore and maintain the forest ecosystem balance and functions in a context of climate change that exacerbates deforestation and loss of biodiversity.
Before declaring the workshop open, the Honorable Minister of Environment explains that all possible funding opportunities of the technical and financial partners and other donors must be explored and shared in order to establish strong synergy and collaboration for the sustainable management of forest ecosystems in the Gambia.
The new paradigm that we want to carve for this country is that not only the timber that is important in the forest, but we have other associated resources, non-timber resources that we can use to leverage economic development of our various communities, and that can be triggered to trigger national economic development. And as highlighted by the Commissioner, when we utilize these resources in the proper sustainable manner, it can help us to reduce poverty significantly in our communities, but it can also help us to avert the impending catastrophe of climate catastrophe.
Commitments and proactive contributions during the 2-day workshop will be highly required to create the required conditions to reinforce mobilization for the successful implementation of the Gambian National Forest Investment Plan. Reporting for GRTS News, I'm by Ibrahim Cham.